Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Magicalbombshell. If you're new here, thank you for clicking. If you are already subscribed, thank you for watching. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. That way you get all my new videos. And just another little hint, guys, don't forget to go like my last video, comment, and make sure you are subscribed if you want to win this Bloodlust palette. You have to be subscribed to get your name into the giveaway. I did use this palette for this look, so if you guys would like to see how to get it, go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to go into the color Monarchy. So this color right here, and I'm gonna blend that into my crease. I'm gonna go in with the color Dungeon, this color right here, and I'm just gonna darken that crease just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the color Monarchy and just soften it up just a little bit on the edges. Just gently. You're not picking up a lot of product, just enough to blur. I think I'm gonna I'm gonna actually swatch Betrayal and Beauty Sleep and Bleeding Heart just to see which color I actually want to put on my lid. So give me a moment. I went ahead and I swatched Betrayal, Beauty Sleep, and Bleeding Heart. We have Betrayal, Beauty Sleep, Bleeding Heart, which that one came off a lot more matte than I thought it was based off of it being in the palette. This one is beautiful. It's like opal, rose gold mixed together. And then now Beauty Sleep. I don't know if you can see on camera that it does have a little bit of a shimmer to it, but in person it does have like little gold and purpley hints of shimmer in it. But I think I'm gonna mix these two for my lid. So okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my little flat brush, and I'm gonna grab the color Betrayal. And I'm just gonna pack that right here into my crease. Now I could have gone over my lid with my milk pencil and made it to where this color was a lot more pigmented, but I want this look today to be a little bit softer, just because I'm going with a dark red lip. Well, not dark red, but And I'm gonna go back with that blending brush and just blend that into the crease a little bit. Okay, so I am going to grab my little flat brush to get beauty sleep, but I am gonna spray it with my Hard Candy Longwear setting spray. Just because I want it to pop this specific color, because it is like so opal-y and pretty. I want it to pop a little bit like that. And you're gonna blend that into your inner corner. I'm just gonna use that for highlight right away. And then don't forget to blur these two together. Just light enough to where they look blended, but not enough to where you take that purple away. And then just to do the other eye, I am gonna spray a little bit more setting spray. I don't know if you can see how pretty that color is, but let me just swatch it on my finger again. Just so you can, like, close up, that doesn't even look like the color that's on my lid. And like if I blur it on my finger, look at that. I'd even use that for a highlight, mix that with wet jewel and tap it on my cheek. I think we'll do that actually. So I want to do my under eye. I was thinking that I wanted to use the purple again, but I kind of want this color to shine. So I'm gonna spread it a little bit more to the middle and then add some more of that color Monarchy, or actually I'm thinking either High King or Royal Pain. So we have High King and Royal Pain. I think High King will actually bring the little pinks out in that Beauty Sleep color. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab another little brush. It's like a little flat stiffle brush. And I'm gonna grab the color Royal Pain. A little star one right here. Look at how pretty. I'm sorry, I can't stop. I'm in love with that color. I'm gonna grab Royal Pain and just gently pack that in there. Remember, this step is optional. Not everybody likes to put more colors or eyeshadow on their under eye for different pops of color. If you like the top lid, honestly, all I would recommend, if you wanted to keep it just that and keep it a little bit more natural, I would just get a little bit of Dungeon, a little bit of Monarchy, and just gently go right there to the rest of your makeup and it'll look good. Either way, it's everybody's preference. There's so many different looks that you can create with this palette. All I've been seeing are like different purple looks, and of course, I mean, it's the purple palette. I'm doing purple right now. I've been doing purples, and I just, well, purple person. Now I'm gonna go back into Beauty Sleep and just gently blend that into the middle to blend those two colors in the middle as well, just like it was on the top. I'm gonna spray this again. I want it shiny like it is on the top. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna take my blending brush and I'm gonna just dip a little bit into that color Betrayal, just a little bit, just barely picking up any product, and I'm just gonna be tapping right here in the corner just to tie that purple and that purple Betrayal and Royal Pain together. Funny faces. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my face and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I did use a little bit of my Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter and then went back with the what was it called? Beauty Sleep, and tapped that along my cheek for a little bit of a highlight right here as well. I did mix a brown eyeliner pencil and my red lipstick from Mega Blast Liquid Catsuit from Wet n Wild. Mixed those two together to make this lip. And I know I said it in the beginning, but just a reminder guys, my giveaway in my last video. Go like, go comment, go tag a friend, and make sure you're subscribed if you want to be entered into the giveaway. And thank you guys for watching, and I'm saying "and" a lot, aren't I? What did I forget? I feel like I forgot something. Oh, I made a TikTok too, guys, so if you follow me on here, I also post my makeup on TikTok, Magicalbombshell, as well. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good day, guys.